Started the next topic of the chapter 4, business services. Business services are services which are provided to smooth flowing of business. They are known as business services. While the number of business services are provided in these days, they are banking, insurance, banking, insurance, postal and telecom services, warehousing, and transportation. These are the mainly services which are provided in the business. They are known as business services. While first is banking. A bank is a place where customers or the persons who have excess funds, they go and deposit, and those who have need of the funds, they provide the loan and other facilities provided by the bank. With the nominal interest, they are given to the bank and get the finance from the financial institution as bank. So the bank is a place where the businessmen also transfer the funds while they are involved in the trade. So this is a financial service provided by bank to the customers. The next is insurance. Insurance provide the service to distribute the risk or to minimize the risk which has happened in the future in business. And in the businessman's mind, while they are starting a business, there are several problems which are created in future or which are happen uncertainly. So that risk which is in the future, that can be covered with the help of the insurance companies. So they cover the risk, and while a nominal premium pay for these services, this type of insurance is in the head of the general insurance. In the head of the general insurance, business persons can minimize their risk. What is to be happen in future, they minimize the risk while taking the insurance policy that is also involved in the business services. The next is the postal and the telecom services. These are the services which provide the help to the customer. In these days, postal and telecom services are very important to provide the information to one business person to other business person to customers, and one customer to another customer. These are the services which are to be used in the telecom services. And the postal services are the services in which, with the help of the postage, these days the number of online services provide the postal services, while we are buying and selling the goods with the help of the postal service. But this postal service is also involved in the business while we are sending the information or the goods and services. They are also involved in the postal and the telecom services. The next is the warehousing. While warehouse is a place where the goods are to be kept safe up to they are demanded to the customers, because when goods are to be manufactured at a different place and they are kept safe on the other place. So while the goods are to be manufacturing in the industry, they are not directly demanded by customers. They are up to they are demanded by the customers. They are kept safe on some place. That place is known as warehouse, where the goods are kept safe up to they are demanded by customers or consumers. The next is the transportation. While goods are to be manufacturing at one particular place and the customers or the consumers are scattered in different places, so transportation provides the help to sending the goods from one place to the another place, or manufacturing to the places where the consumers are available or where the goods are demanded. So transportation help them to sending the goods from manufacturing place or warehousing place to the consumption place where they are demanded. So these are the main services which are in the head of this chapter 4, business services.